We're looking at Tesla here on the weekly chart, a little breakout of this overall structure on the week. But we do have another resistance in here that we do have to kind of confirm. That's going to be that 465 area. We're right up against it right now. So we're going to see if that's an area that we can breach and hold. If so, then we're going to be working our way up to those 474s, those highs of the year, and then past that 480, 485, nice whole numbers in here. Now, on the downside, that previous resistance in here off that structure, that is going to be now, or that's now going to be our support. That is currently trading at that 456 area. Anything below there, you're looking right here at that 441. And then you have that 9-day EMA that's following us along up here. You can see that has risen up to 426. So that is the areas that we're looking at in here on the weekly chart. We have to keep note, though, that the RSI has gotten a little overbought in here. We're sitting at 69. But again, if you go back to September in here, you can see it was a few weeks of trading above those upper 60s into that 70 mark on their RSI before we did get a pullback. So that's really nothing to worry about, but is something that we need to consider and keep in mind as we're working our way and seeing if we're going to reject or confirm a breach of these 465s and then the 474s. Now, everything kind of got sucked out as far as premium wise today because you did have that nice kind of grinding long move in here, $18 higher on the day overall. So your IV rank is sitting now at a 23, and it looks like everybody's baking in right around a $21 expected move by this Friday. The following Friday, everybody's looking at a $35 expected move. And then after that, everybody is pricing in right around a $45 expected move. So overall volatility in the market did contract. Your options chain in Tesla did contract a little bit as well. So you still have a pretty large expected move in here, though. But we have a VIX that's sitting right around 18. That's coming off those 19s from yesterday. So overall contraction, little contraction in Tesla, but we still have a pretty big expected move. So options are fairly priced, I guess, evenly priced in here for us. If we do want to get in, you're not going to get hurt too bad either way, and you do have a large expected move. So let's kind of continue to monitor this and to see if we're going to end up confirming a breach and hold of that 465 and the 474s, or if one of those points is going to be a rejection as we end the weekend here. So let's see what happens overall in Tesla. We have a $20 expected move, 2 trading sessions. All right, guys, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you're interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.